Alright, welcome to Asphalt 99. We're here to cut through the marketing noise and get to the truth. Today, the 2026 Porsche Panamera is on the chopping block. Porsche has unveiled the latest iteration of its four-door Grand Tourer, and the hype machine is in full swing. They're calling it a revolution, but is it really? Or is this just a very expensive, very German facelift? Let's break it down. Visually, you can't deny it's a handsome car. The lines are sharper, the front fascia is more aggressive, and it certainly has presence. It looks every bit the six-figure Executive Express it's meant to be. But let's be honest, it's not a radical departure from the previous generation. It's an evolutionary design, a safe bet from a company that rarely takes massive risks with its core products. It's unmistakably a Panamera, for better or worse. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because that's where the real story should be. The powertrain options are, on paper, impressive. A base V6 with 348 horsepower, a couple of V6 hybrids pushing past 500 horsepower, and the enthusiast's choice, the GTS, with its 493 horsepower twin-turbo V8. The numbers are big, the 0 to 60 times are quick, and I have no doubt it's a ferociously fast machine. But here's the question. Is it fast enough to justify the price tag in a world with competitors like the BMW M8 Gran Coupe and the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door? The performance sedan segment is a battlefield, and simply being a Porsche isn't a guaranteed win anymore. The competition is fiercer than ever, and they are bringing their A game. Porsche is banking heavily on its new Porsche Active Ride suspension. They claim it keeps the car perfectly level through corners, braking, and acceleration by ditching traditional anti-roll bars for a sophisticated hydraulic pump system. It sounds impressive, a clever piece of engineering for sure, but I'm skeptical. Will it truly transform the driving experience, or will it feel artificial and disconnected? Sometimes the relentless pursuit of technological perfection can strip a car of its soul, its raw mechanical feel. We'll have to reserve final judgment until we get it on the track, but it's a valid concern for a car that is supposed to be a driver's car first and a limo second. By the way, we put in the hours to test these claims and give you the real, unfiltered take. If that's the kind of honest review you're looking for, hit the subscribe button. You won't regret it. Inside, the cabin is typical Porsche. Impeccably built, filled with high-quality materials, and dominated by screens. The tech has been upgraded, the interface is quicker, but it's the same screen-heavy philosophy we've seen across the industry. It's clean, it's modern, but it's also a bit sterile. Some might miss the tactile feel of real buttons and gauges. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Porsche Panamera is undoubtedly a magnificent piece of engineering. It's faster, smarter, and more capable than ever before, but a revolution? I'm not so sure. It feels more like a meticulous refinement of an already proven formula. Porsche has polished every facet of the Panamera, but they haven't reinvented it. For some buyers, that's exactly what they want. For those of us on Asphalt 99, we're left wondering if Porsche played it a little too safe this time. Look, you won't find sugar-coated reviews here. We push cars to their limits and tell it like it is. If you demand honest, hard-hitting analysis that respects your intelligence and your passion for driving, then subscribe to Asphalt 99. We're the reality check this industry needs. Join us.